The best inflatable kayak. If you're looking for the best inflatable kayak, here's a collection you've got to see. Let's get started. At any time, you can click the circle for more info and real-time deals. Number 1. Most popular. Intex Explorer K2 Kayak 2-person inflatable kayak set. This Intex Explorer K2 kayak is the best cheap inflatable kayak for flat water, built for expert use in lazy rivers and lakes where the water is more still. The bright yellow design offers increased visibility and adds safety. With removable seats, you can alter this 2-person kayak to fit your needs perfect. The inflatable seats mold to the shape of your body, making them even more comfortable and allowing you to use them for long periods. Whether you're bringing a partner or going solo, this double kayak will be easy to maneuver, expertly guiding over the water. A lightweight design allows you to easily transport this boat from your car or portaging between lakes. The low-profile design makes it incredibly stable and thus great for use for beginners. Number 2. Intex Challenger K2 Kayak 2-person inflatable kayak set. Intex Recreation has come out with a bargain-priced K2 inflatable kayak. They have decades of experience with making inflatable products and have recently come out with their K2 series kayak. It's constructed of their super tough vinyl for extreme durability and resistance to leaks and tears. The Intex K2 is an ideal kayak for exploring lakes and slower-flowing rivers. The cockpit is good-sized with inflatable seats and backrest. It will comfortably fit almost anyone. The Intex is by far the best cheap inflatable kayak. The Intex K2 meets all safety standards set by the Coast Guard while undergoing intensive stress testing to ensure safety. The K2 will give you years of enjoyment on the water. Number 3. Intex Excursion Pro Kayak Professional Series Inflatable Fishing Kayak. The Intex Excursion Pro Kayak is the best inflatable fishing kayak under $500. As it's expertly constructed using durable vinyl super tough laminate PVC with a polyester core that's puncture resistant and built to last. 2 air chambers give you peace of mind that even if the worst happens and you pop a hole in your kayak, you can still stay afloat and get back to shore safely. The UV-resistant finish allows you to speed along hot days in the sun without worrying about the integrity of your inflatable tandem kayak. High-pressure spring-loaded valves make for quick and easy inflation and deflation, giving you more time to enjoy the waves. Number 4. Sea Eagle 370 Pro 3-person inflatable portable sports kayak canoe boat with paddles. Whether you want to go down Class 3 rapids or leisurely paddle around a lake, the Sea Eagle is a perfect solution to your kayak needs. The rugged polycrylar hull is incredibly durable, so tough in fact there's no reason to leave your 4-legged best friend at home. The 38mm hull will withstand the sharpest of claws and resist tearing or puncturing. The Sea Eagle weighs only 32 pounds but it will carry up 650 pounds of passenger and cargo. The I-beam construction provides a rigidity rivaling solid hull kayaks. It includes 2 skegs so that the Sea Eagle tracks well for maximum speed and efficiency. Included are 2 inflatable removable seats, front and rear self-bailing train valves, plus front and rear rope handles for easy portability. Number 5. Advanced Elements Advanced Frame Kayak. The Advanced Frames from Advanced Elements is a hybrid kayak, somewhere between an inflatable kayak and a folding frame kayak. The built-in aluminum ribs in the bow and stern are made to steer through the water and cut through the waves almost as well as a hard-shell kayak, while the wide 32-inch base makes this Advanced Elements inflatable kayak almost impossible to flip. Meanwhile, users can still enjoy the portability of an inflatable kayak. The advanced frame takes approximately 15 minutes to inflate, 10 minutes to deflate, and will comfortably fit in the back of a car. The single and tandem model often come pre-assembled. It also features an adjustable padded seat for extra comfort on longer journeys. Unlike most inflatable kayaks, the AF has a multi-layered construction for enhanced durability and puncture resistance, meaning that it's not just a throwaway purchase. For more details, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching the video.